Hello everyone, thanks for turning to listen to our presentation. Let's begin by discussing the background of explainable network verification. Network verifiers often give yes or no with the counterexample answers, without explaining why. Here is an example. Suppose we want a BGP policy blocking the private prefix 192.168.0.0/16. Both of them pass the verification. However, private IPS2 is more precise than private IPS1. Only restrictive filter may block more prefix than necessary. While a specific fit, line, or block of configuration satisfies the specification, as shown in the figure, the deeper reasons are explained as follows. Each blue box highlights a single configuration fit and its corresponding constraint. The first blue box specifies that the action feed of the prefix list must be permitted. The second blue box specifies that the prefix must cover 192.168.0.0/16. And the third blue box specifies that the range must fall within 0 greater than or equal to 16. Purple box highlights a line configuration and its corresponding constraints. If a network operator is provided with these additional constraints for a specific fit, line, or block of configuration, he can easily determine that private IPS2 is the more precise option. Localized sub-specification, short for suspect, is a safe modification scope that fit, line, or block while preserving the private verification success. As shown in the figure, the blue highlights represent fit level suspects, and the purple highlights represent line level suspects. The upper part of each suspect contains the summary content, while the lower part contains the corresponding formula constraints. There are two pages that introduce how to use the suspect. Modifications made within the suspect preserves the verification property, whereas modifications outside a suspect may violate this property, sound but not complete. Moreover, an empty suspect can be modified freely. Additionally, an empty line level suspect can be directly removed. Similarly, this also applies to a line that contains only a single suspect with an empty feed level suspect. In this user study, we consider two granularities, field level and line level suspects. In this user study, the eBGP route selection process only involves AS path length, and the roadmap naming rule is router direction, in from or out to peer. Thank you for participating in this user study.